long time, and they're getting. You can't see it no more, but we're up top. Oh, you can see the other one. That dome up top is getting replaced. Yeah, that's 10 o'clock bell. The dome is getting replaced because there was a lot of water coming in, and they had everything all wet and loose. Some motor joints are way more loose than others, like I just showed you. And we're getting new cement, better mortar cement, mortar mix. We're gonna get a better mix, and we're gonna end up installing these new cement. Your church ringing too? Oh, that's tight. That's tight. But yeah, we're saving it. This is a restoration. We can't damage them, so we're being careful, extra careful. I'm gonna get more buckets, David. I'll get it. Ben. No. You sure? What's that? Que venga entonces. Que venga.
I don't know.
Yeah, it is, my man. It is a big project. We'll be here all month. We'll be here all month. We'll be here most of May as well. It's a really big one. You got buckets in your corners too?
Yeah.
Let me get another one, David. Here's where we're losing the stuff right here. X, go definitely live, man. You should be going live, bro. It seems cool getting feedback. Absolutely, man. Go live. Do me a favor. Go comment on one of my recent uploads, and I'm gonna subscribe to your channel. When you go live, I'm gonna jump in your live. I can't check your channel out from here because when I publish this video, the comments erase, and I can't click on your profile from here. But go comment on one of my other videos that I published recently, and I'm gonna click on your profile and I'm gonna subscribe to your channel. And go live, man. You should definitely go live every day if possible. I be learning a lot in the comments. Somebody was trying to teach me about gold leaf, some metal work. I was explaining to them what's going on over here, and I don't really understand. And they say they work with metal, and they're telling me about the gold leaf process or something, thin sheets of metal. I don't know. I be getting feedback too, you know. They say, hey, your work sucks. It really sucks. And I'm like, damn, my work really sucks. So I got to do it better, you know what I mean? Yo, Rich, put your hands on this one and then label it. Hey, for sure, X. Look at that.